Right, right. That makes sense. Okay, so let's move on to one of the topic which I always am confused about. As we like when we were growing up as a kids, we used to digest literally anything and everything. There was no concern at all. But when we gain some maturity, we realize that maybe certain foods are not meant for me. For example, I cannot digest corn easily, right? And so I think everybody has some sort of some allergic reaction, or if not allergy, maybe they're not able to digest that food properly, or they have a rough time, they have bloating
Yeah.
issue, they have digestion issue, whatever it is. And the one of the ways to do is that we have to find those food which you react adversely, right? So do you recommend following a elimination diet where basically you test a lot of types of food which you can consume, and then then you observe the reaction of the food to your body and to your health, and then you say, okay, maybe these are the foods you need to avoid? Do you believe in that?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I definitely believe in that because, like you said, everybody has allergic reaction to something. So, very surprisingly, I have an allergic reaction to
Oh.
cucumber. Okay, I cannot eat cucumber. If I eat cucumber, I'll have those digestive issues and acidity and bloating and everything. So, few people find it out themselves without going for this elimination
Right.
diet. Somebody who is very, very keen, or like somebody who's staying with the family, for example, my mom, like she will be like, nay, nay, you cannot eat this. If you eat this, you'll face these issues. So she's figured it out. Otherwise, there are some people who come to us that I do not know why I am facing this level of gastric issues. When I have controlled everything, I am eating on time, I am chewing my foods properly and everything, then we go for elimination diet because we need to
Right.
figure out what is that particular food that's causing you acidity. Okay, so for one of my clients, it was milk. She did not know all this while that she was lactose intolerant.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, so it helps in this. Yeah, so I do believe in this elimination diet for people who are unable to get hold of that particular food. Otherwise, of course, you can go get yourself test things if you have allergy and it's just that food doesn't suit you, then elimination diet or maintaining a food diary is the best thing. As in, you can write
Yeah.
down everything that you're eating in the
Right.
entire day. That days when you feel that, acha, today I'm not feeling well, you can
Hmm.
check which food, what was that food, and you can see if that food, whenever that food comes in, you feel the same.
Right.
That's
Right. I
how
mean,
it is.
this is very
Yeah.
good suggestion that if you can log your all the meals. So I used to do that with my workout and my meals both together, that I am lifting this much weight, this exercise, this many reps, and what I'm eating, and then how I'm feeling next day. So I used to basically gauge my strength and my progress based on these two variables. So if my entire health is basically equation, so if I can change my diet, I can play around with my strength. And I used to see that if I consume say carbs before my workout, I am able to lift more weight, or maybe I'm feeling more energetic throughout the workout, compared to that if I just eat some protein before workout and then I struggle to have the same energy. So this is very good point, that if you basically observe your diet, if you basically track your all the meals and how you feel the same day and next day, that's also can be very helpful to find out the food which you should not eat. Yeah.
Because, like, for example, one more example is I cannot have fruits empty stomach. But there are people, leave about people, my father, he can have
Yeah.
empty stomach. He is totally fine
Yeah.
with it. But I cannot.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah, definitely. So, I can start my day with just fruit, empty stomach, and there's no issues at all. Yeah. So, I mean, everybody I think has a different sort of and especially I think it was not the case maybe say 50 years ago.